Hello everyone! Today I'm sharing the ultimate shortcut budae-jjigae recipe you'll want to stick with for life. Start by slicing carrots, green onions, and onions. Cut up a variety of sausages into nice bite-sized pieces. Layer onions on the bottom of a shallow pot, then add fish cake, sausages, and baked beans. Add the sauce and 3 cups of water, then boil on high heat for 5 minutes. Drop in gomtang ramen, use half the powder, toss in veggies and 2 slices of cheese, then simmer for 5 more minutes. Let's taste this beauty. With this recipe, no more hunting for decent army stew abroad. Even beginners can nail it on the first try. It tastes better than most restaurants, and you'll probably scrape the pot clean, so you have to try it. Simple K meal guarantees it. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video.